We are here at Anastasia State Park, and this is kind of an impromptu video because right over there, SpaceX is launching their first all-civilian crew today, or this evening, in about T-minus 9 minutes for the Inspiration 4 mission, where the crew will go into orbit further than we have ever been since the Apollo missions. There's a 4-person crew, first black female pilot, and they will be testing the limits of the human body and reading all of the telemetry from all the sensors that they've got and all the information that they've got with the crew and on the Dragon and all that. These guys are talking behind me, but I'm listening to what they're saying. To see, to measure everything, to see the impacts that this will have on the human body. So it's really, really exciting. You can probably tell already it's pretty windy. It's partly cloudy. It's not too bad over there, actually. The clouds cleared out. We're about an hour 15 north of the Kennedy Space Center of Launch Complex 39A, the launch pad. So this is our first time actually being on the beach. I'll put a link in the description down below from the other launches that we have recorded, at least from home, and then another one from a rooftop in downtown Orlando. But the kiddo is actually awake this time to see this, so that's why this is like super exciting. So, all right, hopefully the next shot that I give you is going to be the crew launching. We are go for launch, by the way. So far we are go for launch, and they have already started to fuel up the rocket. So let's go. So real quick before they launch, it's 1956. He is really, really excited, but this is what we're looking at so far in regards to weather. And the wind you can probably hear in my microphone because I'm just filming with my little Samsung S20. So there's a few people on the beach here. This beach does close 8 o'clock, a little after 8. So we've got some lightning that I see over there to the west of us. But so far we are good on the east coast of the Space Coast here in Florida. Look at this moon, you guys. It's pretty incredible. You excited, bud? Yeah. I know. About 3 minutes. 3 minutes till launch. Oh my God. There they are. There it is. There they go. There they go. There they go. Oh my God, there they go! There it is, bud! Can you see it? That's them! There they go! While the crew keeps going into space. Okay, just wait. Look at that pretty tail. Yep. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Woo. We got the moon, and what is that, Venus to the left? And then the boosters are coming down. Can you see it? Can you see it firing? So it's stabilizing itself, and it's gonna come and it's gonna land on one of the drone ships that's out here in the ocean. Yes, there's boats. These two lights might even be a couple of the one of the drone ships. I'll look it up later for you though, honey. Oh, I cry every time I see these. Oh. There they go. So that little one obviously is the booster that's trying to come down. Wow. Oh, these night launches, they never disappoint. So that's what it looks like further away. Wow, there we go, a little bit closer. Oh. The boosters are handling right now. Yeah, it's windy. Hi guys. Oh, he's upset because he is soaking wet, you guys. We don't have any extra clothes for him. Here they go. Going. Alright, so we found the booster. I don't know if you can even see my finger, but see, there we go. So I covered the booster. And it's gone now, but it's coming down. That's one of them. I didn't see where the other one was.
Good,
so.
Let's go!
But it's landing, so the drone ship is out there, which...
Yes, let's go!
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that this time. Congratulations to SpaceX and all those involved, and good luck to the crew the next 3 days. But we gotta get out of here because they're gonna close the park. So
no, not those.
see you guys next time, and
lunchbox.
if you don't know already, like and subscribe to the show. Links and everything are down below. It's gonna pop up right here. We gotta get going though. So yeah, go ahead.
The lunchbox.
Go ahead and like and subscribe.
Oh, go ahead and go. I mean,
Bye.
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 Yeah.
That lunchbox.
That's sand in my hair.
There's sand all in your hair.
Everywhere. Is it really?
Oh, it's your
It's great.
your
So bad.
your Jude. Follow those people.